ancillaries and the other industries, other data centers, other technology infrastructure that is going to come is going to boost the GDP of more than 11,000 crores every year. That is the scale, that is the capacity of the investment that we are talking about. And this is a AI center related data center, and being in Visakhapatnam is a strategic advantage today, that you are going to connect with the southeast, and you know India how it wants to be positioned itself as the leader of the global south. And for that, it is important that we do these kind of activities which place us at that position as a leader. And this is one of the activities that is going to give us that leverage when we are talking with the other countries on how to drive the whole IT infrastructure across the world. And we are going through an AI revolution today. In every day-to-day jobs to solving complex problems in the world, AI is being used in a big way. And our Chief Minister and our IT Minister, young and dynamic Lokesh Anna, he also is trying to involve AI as a governance-related activity and bringing in more technology into governance also. So it becomes very important for us to take lead in this infrastructure. So this is going to give us a big boost in trying to deliver better services, better governance to the common man of the country and the common man of the state of Andhra Pradesh. So this is not just a merely optics thing or something which is very specific to one industry, let's for suppose technology industry, but this is, I feel, the impact that this investment is going to create is much larger, and it is going to be an impact for the whole country. This is not just an investment for the state of Andhra Pradesh. We all have to agree that this is an investment for the country. This is what is going to place India as a technology leader across the country, and we are very happy to partner up with Google and for them to come and put its investment of $10 billion. And me participating in this event gives me immense joy and happiness. And I'd like to thank Google and especially the Government of India, Prime Minister, also extending that kind of support for the state of Andhra Pradesh.
రైట్, ఏపీకి అతిపెద్ద ప్రాజెక్టు రాబోతుంది. రాష్ట్ర భవిష్యత్తును మలుపు తిప్పబోతోంది. దీనికి సంబంధించిన ఢిల్లీలో ఎంఓయు కుదుర్చుకుంటున్నారు. విశాఖలో $10 బిలియన్ గూగుల్ 1 గిగావాట్ హై పర్ స్కేల్ డేటా సెంటర్ ఏర్పాటుకు